Hello and welcome to my video on how to earn money watching YouTube videos. Make money online watching YouTube videos. This is something I've tested for myself. It's super profitable, very easy to do. Everybody can do this. You only need to watch this video till the end and implement what you learn. It's all free for you. I will show you everything. Also, I really want to know where you're from because I want to give you videos especially for you. So make sure to comment where you're from down in the comment section below. One more thing and a fair warning. This is a method you really need to implement, and I will show you everything in this video, so don't skip through this video because let's be honest, if you're not able to watch an 8 minutes long video, how should you implement it, right? So do this and I will show you everything right after the intro. Before we start with the actual method on how to make money online by watching YouTube videos, I just wanted to give you your first huge gift. This is absolutely insane because I want to give you my training for free, where I will show you how I made $2,265 in one day. I will reveal everything in my step-by-step training here, and you get access by simply clicking the link below the video you're watching. And their opt-in page will look like this, and I will send you training to this email, and you will get everything you will need to also make these huge 4-figure days. So take action. You will find the link below this video and you will absolutely love it. So my name is 𝐒𝐲𝐿, and the reason I have such a weird accent is because I'm from Germany, but I'm also the proof that everybody can make a fortune online even if you're not native English speaking. So if you're interested in more videos like this on how to make money with different very powerful methods, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to avoid missing anything. Also, if you have any questions along this video, comment them in the comment section below and I will answer every single question there, okay? Also hit me a like, and if you really want to crush it or give something back, make sure to share this video and give me some love, and I will give you more methods like these. So let's dive in. Before we jump to the website, let's go to YouTube and look for the most viral and trending topics or videos in YouTube. As you see on the screen, there are a lot of viral videos. Choose one of these viral videos, scroll down until you find one of the best viral videos. For example, I'm going to choose this one because it got about 40 million views in 2 years only. After you click the video, copy the link of the video, and after you copy the link, I'm going to show you how to use this link to get a lot of money. So now let's jump into the website that you will use the viral video link in. This is the website that we actually talk about today, which calls 𝐓𝐢𝐻𝐿𝐼. 𝐓𝐢𝐻𝐿𝐼 is a URL shortener that rewards the publisher of the shortened links by offering a part of their advertising revenue. So in this website you will need to paste the video link that you copied from YouTube to shorten it like I'm doing right now. But in the first you should create an account in this website to get money from it. Before I show you how to sign up, let me show you the payout rates in 𝐓𝐢𝐻𝐿𝐼. As you see, the CPM of April month. The CPM meaning is a marketing term that refers to the costs an advertiser pay for 1,000 advertisement impressions on the website. It's illustrated on the screen that you will earn $59.80 per 1,000 person from the United States clicking your shortened link, and $37.06 per 1,000 person from Canada, and also 43.46 cents per 1,000 person from the United Kingdom, and so on. The whole country illustrated to you. After I showed you the payout rates, now I'm going to show you how to sign up in this website. You can sign up via your Gmail account, or you can register via your email and choose the way that fits you after you sign up. You will go to the dashboard that looks like this. Your dashboard will look like this after you sign up in this website. From this dashboard you will see how many people interacted with your shortened links. The people who will interact with your shortened link will watch advertisement related to this website. And the people on any social media platform click your links, you will see all the video click statistics on this dashboard. All you will need to do is to copy any viral video link and paste it here to shorten it. And after that, paste the shortened link on any social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, or LinkedIn. And the people who will click your links, they will let you make passive income from 𝐓𝐢𝐻𝐿. So as you can see, this is super simple. The only thing you need to do is to find a viral YouTube video, take the link, go to 𝐓𝐢𝐻𝐿, shrink the link and just copy paste the link into social media, into different groups on Pinterest or Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or wherever you are. Just spread your link and make massive profits from 𝐓𝐢𝐻𝐿. This is super cool. If you're interested in more how-to methods like these, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to avoid missing anything. If you really want to crush it, go to my training below this video and I will show you how I made $2,265 in one day and how I make 4 figures every single day in my free step-by-step training. If you have any questions, comment them below in the comment area and hit me a like. And if you like to share this video, make sure to check out my other videos at the end of this video or the info point of this video, and I will see you in the next video. All the best, 𝐞𝐿.